Hi, we're Byron and Charlotte, and for the ones who are new to our channel, we are a Belgian couple traveling the world in our self-converted van.
We have been living in this van for over a year now, and we decided we wanted to give you an inside look and tour of how we live. So, let's go. Here we are in the cockpit of the van. This is a 2011 Ford Transit L2 extended wheelbase high roof. This van holds many compartments, which comes in handy when you're traveling. Like this compartment right here is mainly mine. This doesn't hold very much at the moment, just some charging stuff. Normally there's a charger for my phone here. This is our little friend Manu the shark. Okay, this little thing here, well, it holds some paper to write on, very handy. Most of the time it holds just snacks for, you know, when you're driving a long way, you need to eat something. This compartment is Charlotte's. It holds just some paperwork, chargers, whatever. Then we have this little thing over here, not a lot. Now this drawer, I'm a little bit ashamed to open this one actually. It's a junk drawer. Holds flashlights, a bit of working gear, walkie-talkies, a lock for the keys when we're leaving and we cannot take the keys with us, like when we go surfing or something. This is fragrance to put in this little thing over here. Yeah, smells very good, but doesn't last long. Paperworks, yeah, well, whatever you have in a van. Okie dokie. Then we have these compartments which holds like a large water bottle most of the time when we're traveling a long way. Now it doesn't hold anything. So in the back of the seats, oh, that's here, we hold our camping seats. We have two of those, very handy. Bought these off Amazon. Hiking shoes, hiking backpacks, oh yeah, an air compressor when we have flat tire or something, you know, doesn't matter. I think that's it, so let's go to our home.
Welcome to our home. Please come in, but before you do, take off your shoes. Let's start in the bathroom. So we chose to fit in an 80 by 80 shower because we wanted to be as independent as possible. Although we don't have hot running water, we do take showers in the winter with this little pump. We just boil some agua, put it in, and voila, you can shower. Over here we have a soap basket with some shower stuff. We have Octo. He helps us to dry like towels or something. We also have the toilets in the shower. It is very clean. I just clean it. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's go to the kitchen.
Welcome to our kitchen. Let's start with the overhead cabinets. Here we have everything we need in the morning. Coffee beans, tea, cereals, bread, things for the hot cocoa. We also put in our snacks here. Over here we have our dry foods, spices, olive oil, hot sauce. Here we have the sink with our self-made cutting board. Gives a nice look to the kitchen, hides the dishes, which comes in very handy sometimes, and it doesn't go anywhere when we're driving. So then over here we have two drawers. The first one holds the towels, toothbrushes, soap. Second one is for the utensils, so the knives, forks, spatulas. Over here we have the 65-liter fridge with a small freezer compartment. It holds like 2 days of food, but that's okay for us because whenever we need food, we go to the stores. Here we have our bins and our laundry. The bins are like this. Just open it up. We have 2 of them. The laundry, it's just a laundry basket. Put in the laundry, shove it in, it's all going. And over here we have our spice rack. I love to cook, so I love my space when I'm cooking. I love all the kind of spices. I really go wild with it sometimes. That's how I am. We have the 3 burner stove over here. We wanted the 3 burner stove because 2 is not enough, so yeah, it's our choice. Over here we have all our camera gear, GoPros, beamer, Wi-Fi router. Here we have the gas tank. We chose to work on a mix of butane and propane. We also think for Charlotte one of the most important things in the van, the air refresher, because when you go poo-poo in a small space, believe me, it smells.
Yes, it does.
Then we chose to fit in these 3 big drawers over here. First one holds all our underwear. Second one is for the plates, bowls, cups. Yeah, we try to keep it nice and clean. But when you're driving and like turning and stuff, it finds its own way. So yeah, do our best though. And the bottom drawer is for the pots, the pans, yeah, cooking gear. I'm sorry to interrupt this video, just wanted to give you a quick heads up that we love van life, we love this lifestyle, and you can support us just by hitting this link below, subscribe to our Patreon. That's all you need to do. Let's go back to the van tour. Over here we have a lot of drawers, which comes in very handy, and it doesn't take in a lot of space in the van. You can just put in so much stuff in these things. There's a bit of makeup in here, nail polish for Charlotte, for me. Shampoo, soap, shaving stuff, medication, you name it. In this cabinet we have towels, laundry stuff, photo albums, books, toilet paper. In this huge cabinet we stack up all our linen for the bed, thick sweaters, the drone, extra shampoo and stuff. Yeah. And then over here we have the Max air fan. It's a beautiful thing, placed right above the kitchen. We did that for a reason. When you're cooking, all the smokes and the damps just suck right out, and when you crack open a window, the fresh air comes in. And when in the summertime the van just warms up like a lot, just crack open a window in the back, put this thing on, and there's a nice breeze in the van, so it's a lifesaver. But this bad boy gets dirty quick, and we don't know how to clean it properly, so we can only clean the roster, the blades, but the cap on top we can't reach that. So if you know how we can reach that, leave it in the comments and maybe we can clean it properly the next time. So let's go to the back of the house.
Welcome to the bathroom/dining area. Here you have 2 seats with underneath some cabinets and a dining table, which you can use also as a desk. You can also put these cushions over here like this if you want to look at the beautiful nature, but not today because the weather sucks. So we used the Lagoon table mount because you can turn the table in any direction and you can take it apart whenever we need to go to bed. So let's go to bed. Welcome to the bed. This is almost a full-size mattress. For me it's perfect because I can stretch my legs, but for Byron, he's 6'2", it's a little small, but we have a solution for that. We just lay like this and we can both stretch our legs. So here you have Byron's wardrobe. In the first cabinet we have his t-shirts, sweaters, sports clothes. In the second cabinet we have his pants, shorts, tracksuits. Here you have mine. And yes, as you can see, I have one more because I'm a girl and I need more stuff, you know. So in the first one we have my jumpsuits, dresses, sports stuff. In the second one we have my t-shirts, pants, and some extra space. You never know. And in the last one we have my sweaters. So let's go to the garage.
So here we have the garage. It's very windy outside, it's raining, so we're gonna keep it short, simple. Okay, so here we have like the small bags where we mostly keep our fins and the leashes for the surfboards. We don't have the surfboards with us right now, so it's empty. Over here you have the diesel tank for the diesel heater, which is in here. We have a hammock, big drawers for jackets, shoes, everything we need. Here we have wetsuits, swim shorts, barbecue stuff. Then this over here holds the electrical. It's a bit of a mess, but I'm working on it. So, and over here we have our water supply. This is our water tank, needs to be filled up. Didn't have much sun, so over here we have our table. I mean, of course, if you bring barbecue stuff, you can't bring barbecue stuff without barbecue. So this is our barbecue. Ideal. We also have an outdoor shower, which I'm not gonna take out all the way right now. But we have a 65-liter water tank, which is more than enough for us. So yeah. So this was a van tour. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell.
And hopefully we see you next Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.